All right, factoring trinomials. This time I'm not going to take my sweet time. I'm going to go through these rather fast. That way you can see maybe more relationships amongst the terms and how I come up with my answer. So in every one of these cases, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's seven trinomials. And I'm going to go through these pretty quickly. The one thing is all my answers are going to be two binomials multiplied together. So I'm just going to put two sets of parentheses next to the problems. So up here at the top, there's only two things that can give you n squared, and it's going to be n and n. And I look at 24, and I'm like, what are the factors of 24? And I know it's 4 and 6, and 3 and 8. 3 and 8, bingo, because 3 plus 8 equals 11. N plus 3, n plus 8, done. I'm going to jump down to the next one. X squared plus 11x plus 18. What things multiplied give you 18? 1 and 18, 3 and 6, 2 and 9. Oh, 2 plus 9 gives you 11. So I'm going to put a 2 there, a 9 there, a plus sign. Once again, I got x. Now, I'm going to kind of jump through these problems real quick and just say, I know that's got a p and a p. That's got to be a m and an m. That's got to be a n and an n. That's got to be a x and an x. This has got to be a p and a p. So I'll come right back to this one here. Now this one's a little tricky here because you got negative p and you don't see a number here. But let's not forget that's just negative 1p. Once again, the factors of negative 12. So I'm going to write these down over here. Negative 2 and 6, negative 6 and 2, 3 and negative 4, negative 3 and 4. And I'm looking for factors of negative 12 that give me this negative 1. And there it is. Because minus 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Next problem. Factors of 75 that give me 20. Well, 15 times 5 gives me 75. And 15 plus 5 is 20. Factors of negative 24 that give me this negative 2. Immediately I think, 6 and 4, because 6 times 4 is 24, and there is a relationship between 6 and 4. Question is it going to be negative 6, 4, or 6 and negative 4? But that's the relationship I'm looking for. X squared plus 5x plus 1. What are the factors of 1? 1 times 1, but 1 plus 1 doesn't give me a 5. So I'm going to say that this one cannot be factored. Last problem. Factors of 40 that give me 13. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 plus 8 is 13. And I am done.